How to get free traffic on Google Ads? To enhance your Google Ads campaign and potentially generate free traffic, focus on optimizing your ad relevance and quality score. Hi, I'm Russ Jones, and I specialize in getting more free traffic on Google and YouTube video. Stay to the end, and in a moment, I'll give you a link where you can get a 9,900 bonus. Start by conducting thorough keyword research to target relevant search terms for your business. Craft compelling ad copy that aligns with your keywords and provides value to users. Utilize ad extensions to provide additional information and increase visibility. Regularly review and refine your ad targeting settings to reach your desired audience effectively. Additionally, leverage Google's free tools like Google My Business to enhance your local presence and attract more organic traffic. Monitor performance metrics, analyze data, and make data-driven adjustments to continuously improve your campaign's effectiveness. By consistently refining your strategy and staying informed about Google Ads' best practices, you can maximize the impact of your ads and potentially increase free traffic through improved organic search visibility. To learn how to get free traffic and marketing secrets, go to babourbonsuccess25.com. Plus, hit the subscribe button for more tips and strategies.